Alright, we're going to work our way towards some little bit ones with a little bit more difficulty. Of course we have to do that. Okay, we're going to have the absolute value of x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 5. So we drop the absolute value bars, rewrite the inequality, and just rewrite 5. So we're just rewriting it, except dropping the absolute value bars. Now let me say this. Remember that this inequality looks like the head of an arrow, and it's pointing to the right. And that means we're going to use the word or. So remember, the letter R in or should remind you of the word right. Okay? And then I'm going to rewrite this so we have x minus 1. We're going to flip this inequality and throw a negative out front of the 5. Okay, so let's work this one here. So just pretend this is like a regular equation and we're solving for x. So because we have a minus 1, I'm going to take it over to the right hand side and it becomes a plus 1. So at this point in the game, I'm skipping all these intermediate steps for the most part. Alright, you should go back to solving linear equations if you want to figure out how this negative 1 became a positive 1. Okay. Alright, so we have x is going to be greater than or equal to 6. I'll just follow the or down. Do the same thing here. Less than or equal to negative 5. Take this minus 1 over to the right so it becomes a positive 1. And we have x is less than or equal to 6. Wait a second. Let me look at this again here real quick. We got 6. Okay, what did I do wrong here? This is definitely not 6. I was looking back at my work going, something's not right. Alright, negative 5 plus 1 is negative 4. So you probably caught that before I did. I hope, anyway. Now let's draw a number line so we can get a visual on this thing. At least attempt to draw a horizontal line. Okay, so I'm going to put 6 here. Just arbitrarily throw 6 in there, and we'll throw negative 4 in right here. How's that? We're including 6, so I'm going to put a solid dot. And actually, how about if I use a different color? Alright, so solid dot, it's everything greater than or equal to 6. Right, and negative 4, solid dot because we include it. And everything that's less than or equal to negative 4. Alright, well let's go ahead and write out our interval. So it's going off to infinity. To the left, it's supposed to be an infinity symbol. So negative infinity to negative 4. We got a solid dot here, that means we include it. Okay. And we're going to union that with 6 to infinity. So you may not be actually using the union symbol and doing it exactly like this, but this is about the most proper way of writing this solution set. Okay, moving right along.